My name is Ernesto Salcedo. I'm an assistant professor in the Cell and Developmental Biology Department at the Anschutz Medical Campus. I'm a sensory neuroscientist specializing in processing scientific images. But a big part of my job is to teach in the Modern Human Anatomy program, a master's program for students interested in healthcare or education careers. Our program differs from other anatomy programs in that we teach our students both classic anatomy and the modern technologies that are driving breakthroughs in anatomical research and education. For example, with the latest imaging technologies, we can now see inside the body with incredible clarity, from the molecular structures all the way up to the whole body. And we can use these images to better understand, for example, how cells work in a brain slice, or we can create highly accurate 3D models of organs like the heart or the lung that can be used to create interactive educational tools or to support clinical research and surgical planning. We can also use artificial intelligence to automate the processing of these images, so we can automatically identify a tumor in a breast tissue sample or find all the internal structures in a CT scan, something that used to take a long time, but now we can do this almost with the press of a button. So here's the challenge. A lot of this new technology, especially the AI, can be error-prone, hasn't been fully vetted for anatomical accuracy, or is just scratching the surface of what can be accomplished. To get the most out of this new technology, we need anatomists who understand both the anatomy and the technology. But when our students arrive, they typically have little to no experience using any advanced technology. So my job is to get our students up to speed as quickly as possible. To do this, I challenge them to learn outside their comfort zone. For example, many of our students have never had a computer programming class before, but I teach them computer programming on day one so that they can learn the fundamentals of how the technology works. And for a subset of our students who are interested in pursuing the technology even further, we have created a specialized track called the AIM track, in which they can learn even more advanced technologies like 3D laser scanning, 3D printing, advanced 3D animation techniques like those used in video games or the latest blockbuster movie. This track gives the students the tools they need to create truly innovative, interactive 3D educational and research tools. In the end, our goal is to have our students be as comfortable with the technology as they are with the anatomy, and in this way drive forward the next generation of research and education in anatomy.